From AEC Research, a new era is born for the world of automotive wiring. This was called Aluminum Power. An expanding technology based on the use of aluminum as a conductor, born on the low-voltage battery cables of motor vehicles, and which will be implemented on hybrid and electric cars, also on high-voltage wiring. A proprietary system that comes from AEC, developed and engineered in virtual, and produced for every type of application on the car, including connections and specific plastic parts. Its advantages are good electrical connection, reduction of wiring costs, reliable and controlled terminal welding process with ultrasonic technology, fully sealed, wiring the future with AEC